how to vertically center tags in Google Docs table. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you easiest way. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me start the video. Okay guys, so here I am on my Google Docs page. So there is a two method you can use as per your requirement. Okay, so I will show you one by one. So let me insert one table here. Okay, and I'm just writing the text. Okay, so simply you can change the you know size of this cell, then it will be come to the in vertical line like this. Okay, or you can select that cell. Okay, select this text or cell, go to the table properties, and you need to go in cell. Under the cell, go to the cell pending, padding, and just increase that size, so it will become like this. Okay, so you can make it top, middle, bottom, and whatever you want. Okay, so this is the first way. Second way, you simply use the trick, which is, I'll show you. So this is my table. Okay, so I need to go in this insert option. Under the insert, we need to go in drawing and go to the text box, drag the text box here, write your text. Okay, you can change the size, you can customize like this. Okay, after, now just select the text, go to this option, three dot option, and change the align, make it center. Now just click on this dot and hold it. Click on this dot and hold it, and click the shift button and hold it. You need to click the shift button and hold, then you need to move like this, so it will be come to the perfect vertical align. After that, just go to the save and close. Okay, now just go to this option, just click on it, and just click on this wrap text option, and now you can move into the any cell like this. Okay, just click on it and right click and cut it, go to the cell and paste it, then you can see. Okay, so now it is the vertical text in text table, you can insert like this. Okay, this is a trick you can use, so if it is usable to you, you can use it. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.